Forget what you think you know about Cambodia. For a moment, let the stone faces of Angkor Wat fade from your mind and picture something else entirely. A world built not on solid ground, but on the shifting, breathing surface of the water. This is the Tonlé Sap, Southeast Asia's largest freshwater lake, and the vibrant, beating heart of a nation. The Tonlé Sap is more than a mere body of water. It's a geographical marvel. Each year, it performs an incredible magic trick. During the monsoon season, the mighty Mekong River swells with such force that it pushes water backward up the Tonlé Sap River, causing the lake to quadruple in size. It inhales, flooding forests and plains. Then, as the dry season returns, it exhales, receding and releasing its nutrient-rich water back into the Mekong. This colossal pulse has dictated life here for centuries. To truly understand its power, you must visit the communities that call its surface home. These aren't just a few scattered houses on the water. They are entire villages, complete with floating schools where children arrive by canoe, bustling markets where produce is exchanged boat to boat, and temples that bob gently with the current. While several villages dot the lake's perimeter, a journey to Kampong Phluk, a short drive and boat ride from Siem Reap, offers a profound glimpse into this aquatic existence. The adventure begins where the dusty red road ends. You climb aboard a long-tail boat, its engine sputtering to life, and motor down a wide, brown channel. At first, the scale is hard to grasp. During the dry season, the houses of Kampong Phluk tower above you, perched on a forest of stilts up to 10 meters high. They look like fantastical wooden giraffes, waiting patiently for the water's return. The exposed earth below becomes a temporary town square, where children play and motorcycles navigate the makeshift paths. But to visit during the wet season is to see the village as it was meant to be. The water laps at the floorboards of these same homes. The stilts vanish, and the village transforms into a true floating city. The main thoroughfare is no longer dirt, but a liquid highway buzzing with the traffic of fishing boats, vendors in paddle boats, and families simply visiting their neighbors. Life is lived on the porch, over the water, in constant motion with the lake's gentle sway. You'll see a woman tending to her floating vegetable garden, a man repairing a fishing net on his veranda, and hear the laughter of children echoing from a schoolhouse that bobs on plastic drums. The true soul of Kampong Phluk, however, is hidden just beyond the main village. Here, your large boat docks, and you transfer to a small, silent canoe paddled by a local woman. She guides you into the flooded mangrove forest. The transition is immediate and breathtaking. The roar of the boat engines fades, replaced by the gentle dip of the paddle and the chirping of unseen birds. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, dappling the serene water in shimmering patterns of green and gold. You glide through a submerged world, tree trunks and tangled roots disappearing into the murky depths beneath you. It is a moment of pure, quiet magic, a cathedral of nature where water and wood have found a perfect symbiotic balance. Life on the Tonlé Sap is not without its challenges. It is a delicate ecosystem threatened by climate change and upstream development, and the communities face ongoing issues with sanitation and access to resources. Yet, what resonates most deeply is the overwhelming sense of resilience and ingenuity. This is not a life of novelty. It is a profound testament to human adaptability. The people of the Tonlé Sap don't just live on the lake, they live with it. They understand its rhythms, respect its power, and have woven their entire existence into its seasonal breath. A visit here is a powerful recalibration. It reminds you that home is not necessarily a fixed address on solid ground, but a place of community, connection, and a deep, abiding relationship with the world around you. Long after you've left, the memory of that gentle rocking, of a life that rises and falls with the water, will stay with you.